In this video, I'm going to show you how you can present your Canva presentation on PowerPoint. And this is actually a great way to present your document offline, because Canva is pretty much an online service, so you have to be always connected to the internet. While on PowerPoint, you can be free from any internet connection and you can present your document or your presentation anywhere. So how do you get this document to PowerPoint in the first place? Well, fortunately, we can do that very quickly because Canva do support export to a format that is supported by PowerPoint. What you need to do is go to the share button, click download, and on the file type, you want to make sure that you selected PPTX. That is the format that is supported by Microsoft PowerPoint, and we want to use that. And after that, you can select the pages that you want to include for the export. I'm going to select all pages, and you can click download. Now, I'm not going to click download here because it actually can take quite some time. So I actually have downloaded the document, so you can just see what's going to happen. Now, this is the same document from Canva, and it looks exactly the same. The style, everything, all the icons, the pictures, and also I can still modify the document. And if you want to present the document, just click this button or press F5 on your keyboard, and you should be able to present the document normally. But perhaps the only downside is there is no animation. If you have animation on Canva, that animation would not be translated to PowerPoint. So you will be missing some features like animation and transition effects. But other than that, everything else is looking the same. So that's how you can get your Canva presentation to PowerPoint.